Hi everyone, another exciting tool that I want to tell you about that we are offering here at See Your House Now. Since this pandemic began, a lot of you have been finding some new and creative ways to offer virtual open houses. Well, we have partnered exclusively, as I mentioned, in Waterloo Region with 4VR, and we are offering a couple of new services. This is one of them. Now, this walkthrough allows you to take people through the home, but what's really cool is start moving your mouse around right now, and you can look anywhere around this room while I'm still talking. So for example, we come in through the front door as the agent, you welcome people and then start giving them information about each of the different spaces. So for example, I'm in the kitchen. I always like to list at least 3 main things so you can tell people here about the quartz countertop, the stainless steel appliances, and the beautiful views just outside that window. And now, as you say those things, your audience is able to spin around and look at what you are talking about. So that's pretty cool. Instead of walking around on FaceTime or Zoom or Skype or one of those providers and you being in control of what people see, now prospective buyers are in control of what they are going to see because they can start clicking around anywhere right now. They can look up, down, left or right. Maybe you're giving it a shot right now. And so then you can just take people to those different spaces and talk about the dining area, the engineered hardwood flooring, and once again, the beautiful views, which happen to be here of chickens and a forest, which is fantastic. We're at Crookston Park here, Crookston Farms in Cambridge near Langdon Hall. And then you can go to each space and talk about that. You can start opening up drawers in the kitchen. You can open up the fuse boxes. You can show every corner of the home, and the buyer is the one who is in control of seeing what they want to see, all while you walk around holding this camera, which is very cool. So let's take a look down this hall now, and you can give people the tour as you would during an open house, mentioning that we have a small closet here on the left as you head into the master bedroom. The master bedroom, you have the chance to really show off all areas. I've left the closet doors open here so that you can see just how big the closet is because, as you know, people want to know about closet space, especially in a master bedroom. So there's the big closet over there. We have the 4-post bed, and I think the nicest part of this room, just like in the other rooms we've seen so far, is being able to wake up and see that view. There's not even any drapes in this home because you do not need them. It's so private and beautiful out here. Now we can head over into the spare room, which is just down the hall, right across from another storage closet. And you can stand in here and again, allow those buyers to swing around and see the entire space. So again, see the closet over there, and that we have windows on 2 of the 4 walls, which is always a nice feature. And then the last room inside the house that we'll take a look at is the bathroom, which is high-end design. I love the subway tile and the glass blocks, and take a look at the tile on the floor there as well. Really nice stuff. And then we have the pedestal sink. Some nice high-end design in this property. They've done a really nice job. All you need to do is move in, but it's not for sale. Okay, and then we can end on the back deck, which is also another great entertainment space here. So again, taking those buyers on the journey outside to this great space. This property is massive. This deck, wonderful with the beautiful trees here. Look how welcoming that is. So yeah, so another example of a space where you can just stand or walk and allow those buyers to swing around and see everything. This is just one other way you can cut down on foot traffic through the house and really ensure that buyers are getting a great buying experience and sellers are getting a great experience as well, because less traffic in their home, obviously that's safer, which is something that is top of mind for all of us right now. So let me know if you're interested in trying this out, and it's one of many tools that we now have in our toolkit, always trying to find different ways that we can help you market the properties and brand yourself as a realtor, because we want to see you sell more homes. So thanks already for all the business, and we look forward to working with you on some of these video tours as well. Take care.